Hi everyone, this is Uzaid Sipra, the producer and writer of We Are Pakistanis in Hong Kong for RTHK program. Today we are in the police station to record very amazing episode on the police. So let's go to meet the amazing personalities of the episode. We have Mr. M.M. Khan in our police station, and very happy to have you here, sir. So as a very successful police superintendent, do you have any message for the ethnic minority and especially for the parents?
Yes, this is a very good opportunity for me, especially before I'm retiring very soon. I would say that police force has offered many youth projects tailor-made for ethnic minority youths, just like Project Gemstone, Project Himalaya, Project Go Front. All these projects are aimed, tailor-made to enhance the Chinese proficiency for the ethnic minority so they can join the police force, and it's all free of charge. So if you want to know more about these projects, stay tuned.
So talking to youngsters, I have Hamza here. So I heard a lot about, by seeing EM perspective, I heard this project is a lot of fun.
Yes, it's a lot of fun. Like, firstly, you can join some kind of sports activities such as cricket, basketball or football. It can also improve your interaction with others and everyone else. And secondly is the food drill training. It will improve your discipline and all your routines at your daily life. And the third one is overseas trip, which is very interesting. Like, you will not only be in Hong Kong, but you'll go around the world as well and know about other culture as well.
So we have Mr. Mujib, a member of Project Front. I want to ask you, do you face any kind of challenges to serve the community?
Well, first of all, I very love this community. I mean, there are lots of ethnic minority right here. They love me very much. And also the police officers here also love me very much. I mean, I'm happy right now because I'm acting like a bridge between the local officers and the ethnic minority. I mean, I have helped them a lot of problems, solve the problems, give a lot of suggestions. And I hope in the future there will be more of ethnic minority people like me join the force, or maybe other government department, or maybe government jobs to serve the community, because our community needs you to serve us.
To know more about this episode, Hong Kong Police, please stay tuned for the CIBS RTHK program. We are Pakistanis in Hong Kong.